Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. After that you'll see here the notification volume panel, and just to mute your device notifications you should swipe to the left side, that's blue dot with your finger, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and after that just press up or down volume button and then click here on the three dots and you'll see the same notification volume panel. Just to mute notifications, slide to the left side with your finger this panel and click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.